Hello students, welcome to IMS GATE Academy. I hope you are doing well and I hope you are enjoying the GATE Booster series which we have started few days back, and in continuation of that I am going to present you the subject of industrial engineering. And I would like to tell you something about industrial engineering. You simply cannot afford to miss these marks. These are some of the easiest marks that you will find, and my dear friends, we should try to capitalize on the easier subjects so that in the examination we can save some time for the harder topics. Fine. My dear friends, what can you expect from the session? Let me tell you. From the session, mostly it will be numerical oriented. Theoretical, in and around the questions I will be discussing, yes, but in-depth theory I will not discuss. Whatever is required for the questions, I will be discussing that. So you can expect some 15 plus questions, some very good questions, and I am sure that once you are honestly attending the session, once you are honestly sitting for these number of hours, once you are honestly solving what I am asking you to do, I can guarantee you that you will be benefiting a lot. My dear friends, it's a win-win situation for you. Let me tell you how. Suppose you are able to solve all the questions, so it's a good sign that your preparation is on the right track. And suppose you are not able to solve the questions, so still you will be learning. So anyway, it's the ball is in your court and you are going to win. So my dear friends, don't get demotivated in case you are not able to solve the questions. I'll be presenting you the question, you will be seeing it, and I'll give you some time to comprehend, understand, and then I'll be solving it myself, right? So my dear friends, without wasting any time, let me present you the first question. So friends are still joining, so you can let me know if you are present over here. So Mr. Christine, very good evening sir, very good. So my dear friends, let me present you the first question. Yes. So read the first question, my dear friends. What is the question asking? What is the question asking? Vignesh, very good evening. Read the question. What is the question asking? The question is saying, consider the below network diagram with the activity time. This is 7. And he is asking which of the following options is or are correct. Option A is saying the project completion time is 46 weeks. Option B is saying the earliest time of the completion of the last event is 46 weeks. Option C is saying the latest time of completion of event 6 is 37 weeks. And option D is saying the total float of the activity 6 to 8 is 6 weeks. So my dear friends, have you read the question? Now my dear friends, let me tell you quickly. The diagram is given and all these questions they are asking. What to do in this scenario? I'll tell you. In any question of float, in any question of let's say free float, or they are asking earliest completion time, latest completion time, whatever they are asking, let me tell you, first you need to calculate two things: forward pass completion and backward pass completion. Once you calculate these two things, everything will be fine, right? So see, you have seen the network diagram, activity times are mentioned. So for every event you need to calculate 2 times, and that I am going to show you. See, so I will be starting with 0, fine. So see, just remember one thing, when I am going forward and reaching on any node, I will be calculating that from which paths I am reaching, and then I will be taking the maximum time, fine, going forward. So on event 2, 0 plus 8, it is 8 over here. For event 3, 0 plus 13, it is 13 over here. For event 4, 0 plus 16, it is 16 over here. Now my dear friends, for event 5, you are reaching via this, If you reach via this, it is 16 plus 9, which is 23. And which, if you reach via this, it is 13 plus 5, which is 18. So I am going to write the maximum time. So I have written 23. Again, if you reach over here on 6, so you are reaching via 3 ways, 1, 2, 3. If you reach via this 2, so 8 plus 11, it is 19. 16 plus 14, it is 30. And if you go by this, it is 23 plus 10, it is 33. So I am going to write what? I am going to write the maximum time. So I have written 33 over here. Fine. Now 7. I am going to reach 7 on and only one way. So it is 23. 23 plus 17, it is 23 plus, my dear friends, it is 7. It is 7, not 9. It is 7. It is 7. RKJ, it is 7. So on 7 means event 7, 23 plus 17, it is 40. And finally for reaching 8, there are 3 ways I am seeing. One is 40 plus 6, 46. One is 23 plus 20, which is 43. And one is 33 plus 9, and 33 plus 9 is 42. So which is the maximum, my dear friends? The maximum is 46. So I have written 46. No, RKJ, at 5 it is 23. Why? Because this activity is not 9, it is 7. It is 7. I know why you are saying, 25, it is 7. So 16 plus 7 is 23. Yes, so 46. Now my dear friends, I am going to, see, I have reached in the forward direction by one method. Now I am going to come at the starting node. So what I will calculate, this process is called backward pass computation. And while going backward, while coming backward, what I have to do? I have to check that by which methods, by which path I am coming to a particular node, and then I have to take the minimum time. By going forward, maximum time. By coming backward, minimum time. Fine. So I am going to start by 46. Now see, if I select node 7, so only one way I am coming. So 46 minus 6, it is 40. Now see, event 6, I am going to come only in one way, right? So 46 minus 9. 46 minus 9 is what? 37 or what? 37. Fine. Now see, at event 5, I am going to come in 3 ways. So 1, then 2, and then directly 3. So if I come by this way, 46 minus 20 is 26. 40 minus 17 is 23. And 37 minus 10 is 27. So which is the minimum? Minimum is 23. So I am going to write 23 over here. Got it? For event 4, I am coming in 2 ways. 1, 2. If I come by 6, so 37 minus 14. 37 minus 14 is what? 23. 23. And if I come by 5, it is 23 minus 7 is 16. So 23 and 16, which is the, minimum, it is 16. And finally, if I come over here, 16 minus 16 is 0. So the minimum time is 0. And over here, 37. 37 minus 11 is what? 26. And over here, 23 minus 5 is 18. So my dear friends, you can see that what I have done, I have calculated the forward and backward pass calculation. Now my dear friends, let me tell you, forward pass computation is giving you what? It is giving you the earliest time of completion of an event. Backward pass is giving you what? Latest time on completion of an event. Fine. First of all, after doing this, let's see what they are asking. He is asking the project completion time is 46 weeks. 46 weeks, correct? Yes, option A is correct. It is correct. The earliest time of completion of the last event is 46 weeks. Yes, that is the meaning of it. The earliest completion time of the last event is 46. Yes, this is also correct. This is also correct. Very good. And the latest completion time of time of completion of event 6 is 37 weeks. Let me check. For event 6 is 37 weeks. For event 6, the latest completion time, that means the 2 times you have got the denominator time. The denominator time gives you the latest completion time. That means 37 is also correct. Yes or no? So C is also correct. And finally, he is asking the total float of the activity is 6 weeks. The total float of the activity is 6 weeks, 6 to 8. 6 to 8. So 6 to 8. This is 6 and this is 8. So 33, 37, and this is 46 and 46, and this is 9. So my dear friends, for total float only one formula or method is there. Just draw this diagram. Just draw simply like this, and what you will get, 46 minus 9 minus 33. So it is coming what? 46 minus 42, and it is coming as 4. So total float is 4. Total float is 4, but he is saying 6. So no, this is not correct. This is not correct. Last option is not correct. So which is the correct options? A, B, C are your correct options, and I think RKJ has given the correct answer, and congratulations, very good. So have you understood this concept? That only remember one thing, if they ask you anything about float, earliest time of completion, latest time of completion, anything they ask you, just remember that going forward, reaching on any node, I have to take the maximum time, and coming backward on any node, I have to take the minimum time. Only these two concepts are important. Rest you will be able to solve it anyway. So I hope you have got the solution, and I can move ahead, I guess. Yes. So this is the next question, my dear friends. This is the next question. This is the next question, my dear friends. Please see, we will slowly build up. We will slowly build up from easy to medium to harder. We will slowly build up. Please read the question, my dear friends. So what he is saying? He is saying given below is a PERT network diagram. PERT network diagram means, in PERT there are 3 time estimates. Yes or no? 3 time estimates. In PERT there are 3 time estimates, and one is optimistic time, one is pessimistic time, and another is most likely time. Yes or no? So he is asking project completion time is this, variance of the project is this, probability of project completion within 20 days is 83.7, and project completion follows normal distribution. My dear friends, this is question within questions. I have included many questions in a separate, in a single question. So any question you are solving, it's like solving 3 or 4 small questions. Okay. So how to do? My dear friends, please take the picture of this question, keep it with you, and I am going to solve it on the next page. See, 2 things I need to calculate. One, I need to calculate the expected time, number 1, and number 2, I need to calculate the sigma. I need to calculate the sigma. 2 things I need to calculate. What should I do? Should I use the upper space? Should I use the upper space? Yes, I think it's good over here. Sigma, just a minute, no issues. I'm calculating sigma square over here, and I'm calculating TE over here, no issues, TE. So my dear friends, what is the formula for TE? What is the formula for TE and sigma square? TE is T naught plus 4 times Tm plus Tp divided by 6, and what is sigma? Sigma is Tp minus T naught divided by 6. 2 things we need to find out. This is standard deviation, yes or no? This is standard deviation, and if you want to find the variance, you have to do sigma square. So TE. So my dear friends, you have to use the formula. For example, in the first one, what will be? 1 plus 4 times plus 7 by 6. So 7, 4, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 by 6, 2. So similarly, we have to calculate for all the activities. For all the activities, we have to calculate the expected time. So this much calculation I have already done for you. No need to waste your time. So I am simply writing the calculated expected time. And in case of sigma, let's say for example this activity 1, 2, how to calculate the sigma? Sigma is Tp minus T naught by 6. So TP minus T naught is 6, 6 by 6 is 1, so sigma square will be 1. So similarly 7 minus 1, 6, 6 by 6, 1, 1 square is 1. 8 minus 2, 6, 6 by 6, 1, 1 square is 1. See, sigma square we are calculating. Over here it will be 0, over here it will be what? 12, 12 by 6 is what? 2, 12 by 6 is what? 2, 2 square is 4. 8 minus 6, 8 minus 2, 6, 6 by 6, 1, 1 square is 1. 15 minus 3, 12, 12 by 6, 2, 2 square is 4. So let me check 1, 1, 1, 0, 4, 1, 4. So this is your sigma square, fine. So my dear friends, now we have to calculate, now we have to, just a minute. So now we have to draw the network diagram. So what I will do, I will just erase this part. I will just erase this part and I will calculate the network diagram. See, this is 1, this is 1, 2, this is 1, 3 and this is 1, 4. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. This is 1, 3, 4 and then this is 2, 5. So let's say this is 5 over here. So 2, 5 is something like this. 3, 5 is something like this. 6 is somewhere around here. So 5, 6 is there and 4, 6 is also there. What we have to write? We have to write the activity time. So 1, 2 activity expected time is 2. You have written. 1, 3 is what? 1, 3 is 4. So you have written. 1, 4 is 3. Fine. 2, 5 is what? 1. 3, 5 is what? 6. 5, 6 is what? 7. And 4, 6 is what? 5. So my dear friends, what is the project completion time? 1, 2, 5, 6 is given 2, 1, 3, 10. 1 is giving me 10. Second one is giving 6, 4, 10, 10, 7, 17. And last one is giving me 8. So which is the maximum time? 17. So my dear friends, 17 is your project completion time. Is it given 17? Yes, it is given 17. So 17 is your project completion time. Yes or no? 17 is your project completion time. Now variance of the project is 3. My dear friends, RKJ. RKJ is saying, little confused about 4. Okay, no issues, we will check. Now he is saying the variance of the project is 3. Variance of the project is 3. Okay. My dear friends, variance of the project he is saying. Variance of the project. Variance of the project. See, which is your critical path? Your critical path is 6, 4, 10, 10, 7, 17. Yes or no? This is your critical path. So if I have to find the variance of the project, I need to find the variance of the activities which are lying on the critical path and not on all the activities. Yes or no? I have to find only those activities which are lying on the critical path. Which are the activities lying on the critical path? 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 5 and 5, 6. 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 6. So 1, 3, this one, 3, 5, this one and 5, 6, this one. So you have to add the variance. So what is the variance of your project? The variance of your project is add the variance of these 4, sorry, this is expected. I am very, very sorry. This is 1. So this is 4 and this is 4. Not this. This is the expected time. Variance is over here. So 4, 4, 8, 1, 9. So variance is 9. Variance is 9. My dear friends, variance is 9. So what is standard deviation? Standard deviation is root 9. Root 9 is 3. So he is saying variance is 3. No, my dear friends, this is not 3. Variance is 9. So B is incorrect. Now, the probability, sorry, the probability of project completion within 20 days is 83.7%. My dear friends, this is the most, I would say the best part of the question. He is asking you the probability of project completion within 20 days is 83.7%. See, I'll tell you one thing. Project completion follows what distribution? Normal distribution. Yes or no? And this is the same normal distribution that you have studied in your mathematics. Only one normal distribution is there. So no need to, study normal distribution separately over there and then over here. It doesn't make any sense. So see, my dear friends, this is your normal curve. Okay? And the probability, you see, the expected time is there, expected time. And what is the probability of completing the project within expected time? 50%. That means your expected time is lying at the center of the normal distribution. And standard normal distribution, I should say, standard normal. Okay, just a minute, I'm what should I okay, it's fine, I can draw over here only. So over here z equal to 0 is there, and this is corresponding to what? This is corresponding to your, this is corresponding to your what? This is corresponding to your project completion time, and project completion time is 17 days. So this is corresponding to 17 days. And what is the area left of 0? The area left of 0 is 50%. Yes or no? So he is asking the project completion time for within 20 days. 17 is over here. So 20 will be somewhere around here. Okay. So my dear friends, always remember, we have to, good evening Harshil, we have to convert what? We have to convert from normal distribution to standard normal variate. So this is 20. So can you tell me, so how to convert? Z value will be x minus mu by sigma. This is the formula. So what is x? X is your 20. What is mu? Mu is your project completion time, 17. And what is sigma? Sigma is the standard deviation. Standard deviation is 3. Yes or no? So 20 minus 17, 3 by 3 is 1. So this is corresponding to z equal to 1. Now you will be asking me that, sir, we need standard chart for doing this problem. But see my dear friends, some values are so standard that it's always recommended to keep it in mind. So for z equal to 1, can you say that between -1 to 1, z, how much area is being covered? 67.4%, yes or no? Tell me in the chat box. Between -1 to 1, 67.4% is covered. So symmetric property, by symmetric property, between 0 to 1, -1 to 1, 67.4% is there. So 0 to 1, what will be there? So 0 to 1, 67.4 by 2, 33.7. From 0 to 1, 33.7. And left of 0 is 50%. Left of 0 is 50%. So left 50%, 0 to 1, 33.7. So 33.7 plus 50, and you are going to get 83.7%. So 83.7% is your correct answer. I hope you have understood this, my dear friends. You can tell me in the chat box that is it understood, my dear friends, how I have solved this. That means you could have argued that, sir, we need standard normal distribution. See, for any other days they would give you the chart, no need to worry about that. For example, other than -1, let's say 1.5, z equal to 1.5 you have got, so they will give you the chart. But for standard values, let's say z equal to 2. So for z equal to 2, we know what? That between -2 to 2, area is 95.4%. For z equal to 3, the area is 99.7%. Yes or no? So what area they are talking about? So this is z equal to 1, and we are talking about this area, left of this area, this area we are talking about, Is it clear? This area is 83.7%. Is it clear? No one is saying anything. Is it clear now, Mr. Christine? This area we are talking about. Left आना है. Now clear? And lastly, this is saying the project completion time follows normal distribution. Yes, my dear friends, the project completion time follows normal distribution. It is a simple question based on theoretical. Yes, don't get confused. Just in case they would have told exponential distribution or something like that, then it would have been wrong. So which are the correct options? The correct options is A, B is incorrect, C and D. A, C, D are your correct options. A, C, D are your correct options. So my dear friends, in these two questions, what I have covered? In the first question I have covered concepts of CPM method. Yes or no? Forward pass, backward pass. In the second question I have covered almost the part, whatever part related concepts are there I have covered. And these are your important concepts. So I hope everyone is, the revision is going on simultaneously. So 2 topics in these half an hour I have discussed, and now let me bring to you the final concept from network models, and that is crashing. So there is a crashing question that we are going to discuss the next. So you have studied crashing concept, my dear friends. You can let me know in the chat box. Till then, study the question once. So have you studied the crashing concept, my dear friends? What he is saying? He is saying the indirect cost per week is rupees 200. The optimal crashed project completion time would be what? Crashed project completion time would be what? My dear friends, he is asking about the optimum time. He is asking about the optimum time. He is asking about the optimum time. See, there are two types of time which is there. There are two types of time which is there: minimum time, optimum time. Minimum time means below which you cannot crash. Optimum means at that point we are getting the least cost. So in this case he is asking optimum crashed project completion time. That means the time at which we are going to get the least cost. Okay. My dear friends, what is the first step? The first step is obviously we have to draw the network diagram. That is fine. And let's utilize this space. How can we utilize this space? We can find the cost slope, my dear friends. Cost slope. Yes, we can utilize this space by finding the, oh just a minute, have I drawn? ठीक है, we'll draw over here only, no issues. This is cost slope. So what is cost slope, my dear friends? The cost slope is this is CC crash cost, this is CN normal cost, this is TC crash time, this is TN normal time. So slope कैसे find होगा sir? Slope will be this dy by dx. So this is CC minus CN divided by TN minus TC. ये करना है sir. And what does this gives? What does this gives? Can anyone tell me? It will give you that if you crash an activity by 1 day, what is the rise in cost? एक दिन से किसी एक्टिविटी को अगर आप क्रैश करोगे, so what is the कितने रुपए से आपकी एक्टिविटी की कॉस्ट बढ़ जाएगी? I hope you are getting. So my dear friends, can we find it? Where is the calci? Yes, I hope you are sitting with your calci, my dear friends. Crash cost 850 minus 700, 150. 150 by 7 minus 4, 3. 150 by 4, 150 by 3 is 50. Yes or no? This is what? 700, 200. 200 by 2, rupees 100. 1200 minus 600, 600. 600 by 3, 200. Yes or no? No one is saying anything. This is what? 450. 450 by 2 is what? 225. Please check your calculations. I will be also checking. 1300. 300 by 2 is 150. 1300, 200. 200 by 1, 200. Now this is 250. 250 by 2 is 125. Yes or no? 100. 100 by 1 is 100. And this is 350. 350 by 1 is 350. So check whether all the cost slope I have calculated correctly or not. 50, 100, 200, 225, 150, 200, 125, 100 and 350, my dear friends. So I think all the cost slope is coming out to be correct. Okay. Chalo. So activity. Should we draw it over here? Okay, no issues. I can use this space. See. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you can see over here. See it clearly. Now 2 5, 5 is here, 3 5, 6 is over here, so 3 6, 4 6, and 7 is also over here, so 7. ये 7 हो गया, and this is 6 7. Fine. Days, my dear friends, days कौन सा लिखना है? Normal time. So I am using white. So 7, 1 2 का 7, 2 1 3 is 5, and 1 4 is 8, 2 5 is 9, 3 5 is 5, 3 5 is 5, 3 6 is 6, 4 6 is 7. Yes or no? 5 7 is 2, and 6 7 is 3. Are you are understanding? समझ में आ रहा है? समझ में आ रहा है? So my dear friends, देखो, what are the number of paths? The number of paths is 1 2 5 and 7. One path, this one. Second path is what? Second path is 1 3, 1 3, then 5 7. Yes or no? Third path is what? 1 3 6 7, and last one is 1 4 6 7. So 1 2 5 7, 1 2 5 7 is giving me what? 7 9 16, 16 to 18. ठीक है. Second one is giving me what? 5 5 10, 10 to 12. Very good. Third one is giving what? 6 5 11, 11 3 14. Very good. And last one 8 7 6, 8 7 15, 15 3 18. My dear friends, these are the 4 paths. It means what? Vignesh, you are correct. 2 critical paths. 2 critical paths. He is saying you, the question is asking you to find the optimal cost. 2 critical paths I am seeing. See, one thing I can say, that till 14 days, the critical path is 18, next is 14. So 4 days, till 4 days I can crash it without, in a very relaxed manner. I have very full freedom to crash it by 4 days. I need not worry about the next critical path, because 4 days की allowance है मेरे पास. Fine. But the issue is, only one path I cannot crash. I need to crash both the paths. Yes or no? I need to crash both the paths. I need to crash both the paths. No issues. We will see. No issues. We will see. Let's what to do then? We have to take the activities. I see what I will first of all take the screenshot of the entire question. Take the screenshot of the entire page. Okay. Take the screenshot of the entire page. Okay. RKJ is saying crash 1 2 and 5 7. Crash 1 2 and 5 7. Okay. I'll give answer. RKJ, if you crash 1 2 and 5 7, so it will be crashing only this activity. Na, where you are crashing 1 4 5 7, then 1 4 6 7 also you need to crash. You are crashing only the one activity. So if you crash, let's say 1 2 and 5 7, so it will be coming down, let's say 1 or 2 days. But what about this? The critical path still remains 18. So how the crashing is done? Crashing का मतलब कि your critical path is coming down. Fine. देखो, I need to select one activity from here. I need to select one activity from the next path, and then I will crash it. Okay. But my dear friends, can you tell me what is the initial total cost? Can you tell me what is the initial total cost? देखो ठीक है, crashing we will do, but I need some reference ना. What is the reference? The reference should be initial total cost. So add all these. Can you tell me what is the answer adding all these? And critical path is 18 days. So 18 into indirect cost. What is the indirect cost? Indirect cost is 200. Fine. Can anyone tell me what is the summation of this? 6500. This summation is 6500, or see this direct cost. This is the direct cost plus 18 into 200. ये total का sum कोई बताएगा मुझे? Okay. So RKJ, I am trusting you. 10100. 10100. 10. See, इसको add करो. Then plus 18 into 200. 10100. Fine. 10100. So what you have the diagram with you, okay, you have the diagram with you. So what I will do is, you have the diagram with you. I have to be a bit careful over here. Critical paths. Critical path is 1, 2, 5, 7. Let me check the data. Just a minute. Let me check the data. 1, 2, 5, 7. And then the next critical path is what? 1, 4, 6, 7. See how I am doing. 1, 4, 6, 7. Okay. Very good, sir. And then I will write what are the activities which is lying over here. The activities are 1, 2, 2, 5 and 5, 7. Very good, sir. Over here, the activities are 1, 4, 4, 6 and 6, 7. Very good, sir. My dear friends, I will write two things. First, I will write the cost slope. No issues with that. First, I will write the cost slope. So, cost slope is 1, 2. Cost slope is this, and this. So, I have the data. So, let me write the cost slope. Cost slope of this is 50. Of this is 225. Of this is 100. Of 1, 4 it is 200. Of 4, 6 it is 125. And of 6, 7 it is 350. Okay. And my dear friends, you are missing one thing. You are missing one thing. No. You are missing one thing, and I am sure everyone has missed it. I am sure everyone has missed it. Sir, what? Sir, there is a particular limit of crashing also. You are missing that. That means, suppose I have taken activity 1, 2, the normal time is 7, the crash time is 4. That means I can crash 1, 2 by maximum of 3 days. And unless you write the limit, you will be going on crashing by 3, 4 days. Let's say the difference was very much. So, you would have crashed 3, 4 days directly. But you should check. So, what is the limit? 3 over here. Acha, 1, 2, 2, 5. What is the limit of 2, 5? 2, 5 ki limit kya hai? 9, 7, 2 days only. What is the limit of 5, 7? The limit of 5, 7 is 2 minus 1. 1 day only. I hope you are noticing this point. Now 1, 4. 1, 4 ki limit kya hai? 1, 4. 1, 4 limit is 8 minus 5, 3 days. 4, 6 limit. 4, 6 limit is 7 minus 5, 2 days. And 6, 7. 6, 7 limit is 3 minus 2, 1 days. So, इसको मैं note down कर लूँगा. No issues. No issues. So, let me note it down. The limit. I am writing here the limit. So, 1, 2 limit is 3. Then 2. Then 1. इसकी limit 3. इसकी limit 2. And इसकी limit 1. And now, my dear friends, now I can enjoy solving this problem. Why? Because I have noted all the important points. See, from 1 to 5, 7, I need to take the activity with the least cost slope. What is the least cost slope? 50. I need to select one activity from the below with the least cost slope. What is the least cost slope? 125. Okay? One activity from above, one activity from below. So, my dear friends, what was your original cost? Original cost. Now, see. Crashing 1, 2 and 4, 6 by 1 day. तो सर TC1 क्या होगा? 10100 was your original cost plus when you crash cost will increase. कितना increase हो रहा है? 125 plus 50. 125 plus 50. But something is also coming down. Your indirect cost. What is your indirect cost? Which is 200. Yes or no? So can anyone tell me what is the answer for this? Can anyone tell me what is the value of TC1? Can anyone tell me what is the value of TC1? TC1. TC1 value. Oh, Harshil is saying so many different, all the different answers I am getting. Means you are not 10125. No, 10. You are not giving the correct answers. You are not giving the correct answers. 10100 plus 125 plus 50. 10075. 10075. What you people are giving answers? Only only Harshil has given the correct answer. Rest, why you are giving 10125? Why? TC1 is 10075. So see, my initial cost was 10100. The cost has come down. So it is encouraging me to crash the activities by one more day. It is encouraging me to crash the activities by one more day. So again crashing 1, 2 and 4, 6 by 1 day. So my dear friends, limit देखो ये 3 से 2 limit आ गई. From here the limit is 2, 1. So yes, limit is fine. So TC2 again, TC2. So TC2 is what? Now my reference will be 10075. Reference ये है plus 50 plus 125 and minus 200 because indirect cost is getting subtracted. Can anyone tell me what is this answer? Can anyone tell me what is this answer? Now at least tell the correct answer. 10050. 10050. Oh my god, have you observed something? Have you observed something? The cost is again coming down. The cost has again come down, and it is giving me encouragement that yes, you can crash again, you can crash more, you can crash more. But tell me one thing, can I crash now 4-6? Why I was stressing on the, why I was so much stressing on the limit? Can I crash 146 now? No, I've already crashed it by 2 days. I cannot crash it more. I cannot crash it more. So, acha, 1, 2 can I crash? Yes, 1 day is still there. 1 day is still there. So 1467. What more options I have? I have 14. See, next limit pe, next least cost low pe jaunga, and that is 200. I will crash now 200. So crashing 1, 2 from above and 14 and 14. So now the reference TC3. So 10050 reference cost tha, plus if you crash this 50 plus if you crash 200 matlab 14, so it will be 200 and minus indirect cost is 200. Can anyone tell me the can anyone tell me this cost? Arey, no one is saying this cost. 10100. What is your observation, my dear friends? What is your observation? Observation is, now when I am crashing, the cost is going up. Now when I am crashing, the cost is going up. So will I should I crash then? Should I opt for this crashing? What do you say? Sir, I crashed first, I am getting 10075. I crashed again, I got 10050. See, this is corresponding to 17 days and this is corresponding to 16 days. And when I am crashing it again, I am getting, the cost is getting increased. So my dear friends, what is the optimum cost? The optimum cost is 10050. And what is the optimum time? What is the optimum project duration, my dear friends? Can anyone tell me? What is the optimum project duration? The optimum project duration is 16 weeks. 16 weeks. The optimum cost is 10050. Are you getting or not? Sirs, are you getting or not? What is the optimum project time? The optimum project time is 16. The optimum project time is 16 weeks. No one is saying anything. No one is saying anything. Okay, Harshil sir, after watching solving the question, can we give full length test of subject IE? Obviously, yes. Obviously. See, these 3 questions, we have completed 3 questions till now, and I have taken all the important concepts of network models, if you can see. And now we are going to the next chapter. So everything is clear till now, my dear friends? You can reply in the chat box. Everything fine till now? Yes, obviously you can definitely give your full length test. There will be no issues, and there will be some exceptional questions are awaiting you. So I'll suggest you to just Stick to it. So now, my dear friends, this was all about network models, and I've taken the important concepts. Chalo, now let's do some questions on queuing theory. I know that you have gone bored by solving network problem questions, and now I'm taking the questions of queuing theory. Okay, Christine, see, this is I have to cover many chapters. Christine, I have to cover many chapters. I have to cover many chapters. So have patience. Don't worry. If you say I'll cover some more questions on crashing on some other day, but today I have to cover many chapters. Chalo, read these questions, my dear friends. Read this question. Read this question. देखो, see, queuing is one portion from where you can get trapped. This is my observation, this is my thinking. ठीक है? And although this question looks a very simple, this is a very simple question, but I know you can get trapped. I know you can get trapped, and some of you might have well be trapped. And where you can get trapped, I'll tell you in just 1 or 2 minutes. See, he's saying what? Customers arrive at an average of 5 per 30 minutes. Okay. The probability of at most 3 arrivals in a space of 45 minutes during any hour of the day. Please focus over here. He is saying during any hour of the day. Any hour of the day. He is asking you questions with respect to an hour, an hour, an hour. But he has given arrival rate in terms of 30 minutes. So what is our first duty? What is our first, what should we do? We need to convert everything with respect to an hour. So my dear friends, see here, very simple. 30 minutes, what is the lambda? Arrival means what? Lambda value. What is the lambda value? 5. So 60 minutes, we need to project 10. We need to convert project. See, this is an approximation. Now you will be arguing that, sir, how can we do like this? This is an approximation. An entire probability is an approximation. So don't get very emotional with that. Don't get too sentimental with that. We need to convert it in this fashion. Yes, you can argue that, sir, how can you can say 30 minutes mein 5, so 60 minutes mein this. So just have patience. Now next, he is asking at most 3 arrivals. At most 3 arrivals का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of RKJ? We will see. RKJ we will see. At most 3 का मतलब होता है कि सर max to max 3. Max to max 3. 0 भी हो सकता है. 0, 1, 2, 3. Not more than 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So what is the x value or n value? N value is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now time he has given. Time he has given what? Time he has given 45 minutes. What is the time he has given? Time he has given 45 minutes. देखो, I'll tell you one beauty over here. I'll tell you very good thing about here. देखो, when you study mathematics, you study this formula, and when you study industrial, this is x equal to n. When you study industrial, you see one more formula. So the first formula is for unit time in 1 hour, in 1 minute or something like this. He is asking you the probability. Matlab lambda value, let's say lambda value is given as 5, and I am asking you what is the probability of 5 customers in any given hour. You will use first formula because I have given also lambda in terms of hour. I am asking also in terms of hour. Here he is asking in a space of 45 minutes. So which formula we will use? 45 minutes. We will use the second formula. Are you getting or not? I hope you have got this difference. So lambda t product we need to find. What is lambda? Lambda is 10 per hour, and t is what? 45 minutes. Now when you put one thing in hour and one thing in minute, people will laugh at us, as simple as that. So you need to convert this also in terms of hour. Can you tell me what will be this value? What will be lambda t value? Can anyone tell me? Lambda t value, can anyone tell me? I have also got calci. What is the answer? See, 7.5 we are getting, 7.5. Lambda t value is coming out to be 7.5. So my dear friends, once you know this concept, everything is very easy. See, in place of n factorial, what I have to put? I have to put 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Done. Done. So let me take it in the next page. No issues with that. So e raised to minus lambda t to the power n by n factorial, and I have to go from n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So lambda t value, what we have found out? Lambda t value we have found out to be 7.5. Yes or no? So e raised to minus 7.5 and 7.5 to the power n divided by n factorial. Kuch nahi. Now keep on putting 0, 1, 2, 3. So e raised to minus 7.5, I am taking common, no issues, and then 7.5 to the power 0 by 0 factorial plus 7.5 to the power 1 by 1 factorial plus 7.5 to the power 2 by 2 factorial plus 7.5 to the power 3 by 3 factorial, and you keep on solving this. So my dear friends, I think we are getting, see, if you solve this, I am not going to solve this entire thing, but if you solve this, I think RKJ has given the correct answer. You will be getting somewhere around 0.06. You will be getting somewhere around 0.06. RKJ, very good RKJ, very good. 0.06 is your correct answer. 0.06 is your correct answer. So everyone, have you got the concepts? Concept समझ में आ रहा है? Have you got everyone, my dear friends? Good till now? Can we proceed? Very good. Now my dear friends, this is a very good question from your queuing theory. Very good question, my dear friends. 1 minute you take just for reading the question and understanding what the question is saying. Please. Yes, what the question is saying, my dear friends? Can anyone tell me what the question is saying? What the question is saying? He is saying, the question is saying that a motor mechanic has a specialized garage for servicing Maruti cars. Fine. The repair time is exponentially distributed with a mean of 30 minutes. Very good. Mean is 30 minutes. So what can you tell me? What is the mu value? The mu value is 2. अरे 30 minutes में 1 customer, 60 minutes में 2 customers. Fine. We are finding with respect to R. Cars arrive for repair according to Poisson distribution with a mean of 45 minutes. My dear friends, 45 minutes में 1 arrival. So 60 minutes में 60 by 45. 60 by 45. 60 by 45. Lambda value is what? 60 by 4 by 3. Yes or no? 4 by 3 per hour. So can I find the rho value? Rho value is lambda by mu. By 3 or 0.67. Yes or no? What is rho? Rho is service utilization. Or utilization factor, whatever you want to say. He is saying garage has a waiting space that can accommodate 2 cars excluding the one being repaired. Now this is the most important line of this entire problem. This is the most important line. garage has waiting space that can accommodate 2 cars excluding the one being repaired. मतलब line में 2 cars हैं and one is already being served. So what is the total number of cars in the system? The total number of cars in the system can be 3. It means it's a question of restricted queue length. It means it is a question of restricted queue length. Why I am focusing on this restricted queue length? Because majority of the questions that we do, or majority of the questions that will come in examination, that is of model number 1, and that is infinitely queue length, and all the formula, that is the length of the system is rho by 1 minus rho, the length of the queue rho square by 1 minus rho, all these things, that is for infinitely queue length, but this is a restricted queue length. Fine. He is saying if the waiting area is filled, instead of waiting outside the garage, if any car that comes for repair goes back and does not return again, the expected percentage of customers lost due to inadequate waiting space. देखो, it's a common sense ना, that if you allow your length, let's say I'm a shopkeeper and I'm allowing that any number of persons can come, so most of the persons I'll not lose any customer. But suppose I have put a limit, that at a time only 4 persons can stand in the queue, rest can go. So obviously some people will say that okay, 4 people are already there and let us go to some other shop. Yes or no? So there will be loss of customers. Yes or no? So that is that he is asking, the expected percentage of customers lost due to inadequate waiting space is what? My dear friends, what the general concept is saying, what matlab, what are you matlab, if I say that what is the general thinking that comes to you, the general thought that comes to me is, let me find the length of the system when there is no restriction, that means infinite, and then let me find the length of the system when there is restriction, that means the maximum number of persons allowed in the system is 7. I'll compare both, and length of the system in one case, length of the system in the other case, and then I'll compare both and I'll check, I'll find the percentage loss. That getting or not? Fine. So let me do one thing. See, length of the system when there is no restriction, that means infinite case. What is the formula? The formula is rho by 1 minus rho, rho by 1 minus rho. Yes or no? Rho is what? 2 by 3, 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3, 1 by 3 gets cancelled, 2. So length of the system is 2. That means when there is no restriction, the length of the system is coming out to be 2. This is case 1. This is case 1. And now, my dear friends, I have to take case 2. That means when n is equal to 3, when n is equal to 3, that is restricted queue length. Dekho, we should always know that from where the formula is coming, and that is only I am going to apply for finding the length of the system in case of n equal to 3. Dekho, see over here. What is the formula for length of the system? I'll tell you one thing and the job becomes easy. We say expected length of the system. Expected. From expected matlab maths concept is expectation of a random variable. What is expectation of a random variable? It is summation into x into px. Are yes or no? And here x is from 0 to n. 0 to n. N is what? 3. So either there will be 0% into probability of 0, plus either there will be 1% into probability of 1, plus either there will be 2 persons into probability of 2, plus either there will be 3 persons into probability of 3. Yes or no? Expectation formula from maths. So it will be what? P1 plus 2P2 plus 3P3. And do you know this thing, that probability of any number, what is P2, P3? Probability of that much number of customers in the system. And do you know this thing, that probability of n number of customer in the system is nothing but rho to the power n P naught. This is one formula that comes from steady state and this is applicable everywhere. So P1 I can write what? P1 I can write rho P naught, yes or no? Plus 2 times rho square P naught plus 3 times rho cube P naught. Yes or no? P naught, if I take common, it will be what? Rho plus 2 rho square plus 3 rho cube. Rho value I know. Rho value is what? Rho value is 0.67. That is not a problem. Or 2 by 3. 2 by 3. That is not a problem. The problem is P naught. P naught कहाँ से आएगा? The problem is P naught. From where P naught will come. ठीक है? Now my dear friends, I am dividing this screen here only, and let me write this thing. Do you know this thing, that summation of the probability is equal to 1? That means P naught plus P1 plus P2 dot 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 Pn will be 1. Now first I am deriving the formula for P naught is 1 minus rho. Again, that's why I was saying, good that I have taken this question. That's why I was saying that we should know that from where the formula is coming. So P naught equal to 1 minus rho is for that case when there is no restriction on the queue. That means infinitely number of people are there in the system. But is that the case that we are doing over here? No, that's why I am going from the basic. See, पहले case में you would have done dot 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 till infinity, and then from there you get P naught equal to 1 minus rho. But here I will not be able to do this. Here I will not be able to do this. Getting or not? I hope I am clear, RKJ. I hope I am clear, RKJ. I hope you got the difference. Yes, sir. Very good. So what is P naught? P naught is 1 plus rho square plus dot 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 rho to the power n. See, RKJ, suppose this was infinitely q length, so you would have written dot 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 till infinity. So इसका अगर आप question, if you have just added by APGP infinitely, you would have got 1 minus 1 by rho, and obviously P naught would come to be 1 minus rho. But now it is not till infinity, it is till n. So just see the difference, where the difference is coming. Again, till infinity, if you apply APGP over here, APGP concept, and if you add this, it is 1 minus rho to the power n plus 1 divided by 1 minus rho. Okay. And finally, what is P naught? Finally, what is P naught? Finally, what is P naught? Your P naught is 1 minus rho divided by 1 minus rho to the power n plus 1. Can anyone tell me what is the value of n over here that we will be putting? Can anyone tell me what will be n value that we will be put over here? Can anyone tell me what will be the n value that we will put over here? Very good. 3. Yes, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. देखो, rho value is what? Rho value is 2 by 3. N value is what? 3. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. And if you put that, if you put all these things, you will be getting 27 by 65. You will be getting 27 by 65. See, I am keeping it in fraction. No need to convert it in decimal. 27 by 65 I will be getting. And this value, if you put it over here, again 27 by 65. See, if you put it over here, so let me tell you what is the LS value you are getting. What is the LS value that you will get? I have calculated it for you. You will be getting 1.015. See, 27 by 65 and this, you will be getting 1.015. 15015. This is case 2. So case 1 mein you got LS value as 2. When there was restriction, you got LS value is 1.015. तो क्या percentage loss आप बता सकते हो? Can you find the percentage loss? Can you tell what will be the loss? Can anyone find it out? The percentage loss, my dear friends, percentage loss, how will you find out? Initially it was 2, then it was 1.015. So what we will do, we will percentage loss of the customers. Percentage loss is what? 2 minus 1.015 by initial. Always we take in reference as initial. And can you tell me this value? 49.25. Excellent, excellent RKJ. Very good, very good, very good. 49.25% is the answer. My dear friends, have you got this question or not? Have you enjoyed this question or not? No, I know that you have understood. Have you enjoyed this question or not? And there are some very, very excellent questions of queuing theory which are there, which we have made in our exercise book, and you will be thoroughly enjoyed if you see such questions. If you want, I can take one session on queuing theory questions. One of very beautiful questions are there. If you have enjoyed, I can take some more these type of queuing theory questions. Fine. So queuing, we have discussed what? We have discussed the probability concept, we have discussed LS concept, and rest rest, my dear friends, what I was saying, that in queuing theory, mostly chances are there that questions will be coming from infinite case. That means when LS is infinite, that type of questions will come and we'll be very easily able to solve it. Fine. So no issues. We will go to the next question. Yes. So let's do some inventory questions, my dear friends. Let's do some inventory questions. Chalo. ठीक है RKJ, I will take one session on queuing theory problems, no issues. All the good questions we will do over there. But this session I am bound to solve many questions from all the chapters. So try to understand my problem also. Don't worry, we will do it. Chalo, for the moment, read this question. read. How to do, my dear friends? Dekho, what he is asking, if the ratio of total incremental cost of a quantity Q to the total incremental cost for a EOQ is 2, then the ratio of quantity Q to EOQ is what? Okay, we will see, RKJ, we will see, don't worry. Dekho, incremental means what? Incremental means you have to understand that it is saying about inventory cost, not the total annual cost, inventory cost. Okay, so, or the variable cost, you can say total variable cost for Q and total variable cost for Q star is given as 2, and he is asking what? He is asking the ratio of Q by Q star. Q by Q star he is asking, no issues. He has given what? He has given total variable cost for Q and total variable cost for Q star, he has given as 2. So for any quantity, see, total variable cost is what? Holding cost plus ordering cost, holding cost plus ordering cost, holding cost plus ordering cost, holding cost plus ordering cost for Q divided by holding cost plus ordering cost for Q star, he has given as 2. So dekho, when it's a general quantity, holding cost is what? Average inventory into holding cost plus ordering cost is what? Number of orders. So number of orders is this into ordering cost, and this divided by, see, for the EOQ, what is the total variable cost? It is 2D C naught CH, root over 2D C naught CH, root over 2D C naught CH, and it is given by this 2. See, from now it's a mathematical thing, not a very very high level concept is not there, but mathematically you have to be neat while solving this problem. So this is q by 2 into ch, and this is divided by root over 2d c naught ch plus, I can write in this way, d by q into c naught divided by root over 2d c naught ch is equal to 2. Dekho, we have to just be manipulative over here. 1 by 2 I can write like this way. Q is there. See what we can do. CH I can remove from here. CH I can remove from here, and I can include over here root by CH. And this will be what? See, this will be what? Q by so 1 by q by 2 is there, 2d c naught by ch. I can write in this way. Yes or no? So this will become what? Can you sense? This will become what? This will become q star. Later on this will become q star. Yes or no? Plus, देखो, check over here. 1 by q I can take common, means outside, and d root d. So in the numerator there will be what? Root over d, root over c naught. Yes or no? Divided by root over 2 into ch. Root over 2 into ch. So how to convert? Tell me how to convert. Root 2 से multiply करते हैं. Root 2 and root 2 if I multiply, so it will be what? Root over 2d c naught by ch. Root 2 बाहर आ जाएगा, and this will be what? 1 by 2q, and this entire thing will become what? This entire thing will become q star. Yes or no? You are getting what I am doing? So see, it is what? Q by 2q star, and over here it is what? Over here it is q star by 2q is equal to 2. Yes or no? So let me add pages. Q by 2q star plus q star by 2q plus q star by 2q is equal to 2. Acha, what he is asking? He is asking the ratio of q by q star. No issues. Q by q star is asking. So I will do what? Q by q star I am going to assume as x. So x by 2 plus 1 by 2x is equal to 2. Take 1 by 2 common, I can take x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. X plus 1 by x is equal to 4. X square plus 1 is equal to 4x. X square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So if it will what? X equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2. So it will be what? 4 plus minus root over 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4 is 16 minus 4 is root 12 by 2. So it is x equal to 4 plus minus root 12 is 2 root 5. Yes or no? No. 2 into 3, 2 root 3, sorry, 2 root 3 by 2. It is what? 2 plus minus root 3. 2 plus minus root 3. Tell me, no one is saying answers. 2 plus minus, so 1 is 2 plus root 3. 1 is 2 minus root 3. Tell me, 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 is what? 3 plus 7, 3. 3 plus 3.73 is one answer. And 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3, 0.26, 0.26, 0.26. Arey, is it matching or not? 3.73, is it there or not? So 3.73 is your correct answer. Have you got? So I told you, concept wise this is the okay. It's okay, and normal concept was only there, but mathematically we have to be sharp while doing the question. Fine. So you have got the logic. I'm not going to waste any much time over here. Solution is fine. Okay. Shall we do some easy questions? Shall we do some easy questions? We have to just be a bit relaxed, no issues. We have to be just a bit relaxed. Chalo, padho. This I have taken an easy question just because you can solve. We can solve. We will get some confidence. No need. So you can see that I have also caught some viral, no issues. अरे हो जाएगा कि नहीं? Can we have you understood this question? What he is saying? So the demand rate for an item is 10,000 units per year. Very good, sir. Per year. See, inventory में if you don't write unit, it will be suicidal. Inventory में if you don't write units, it will be suicidal. The company can produce at the rate of 1,000 units per month. So small p is given 1,000 units per month. Small p or small capital P, whatever you can take, per month. Per month. So what will be? See, per year. Let me convert everything in per year. Don't worry. So it will be what? 12,000. 12,000 per year. Yes or no? The setup cost is rupees 500. The setup cost is rupees 500. Very good, sir. Is rupees 500. Very good, sir. Holding cost is rupees 0.15. Holding cost is rupees 0.15. Rupees 0.15 per unit per month. So everything is in here. So 0.15. 0.15 means what? Into 12. Yes or no? 0.15 into 12. 1.8 rupees. 1.8 per unit per year. So देखो CH है, CSP है, PD, everything is. So what he's asking? He's asking what? He's asking optimum manufacturing quantity is this, maximum inventory is this, time between orders is this, number of orders is this. My dear friends, I'm expecting answers from you as far as this question is concerned, because this I have directly taken considering the PYQ model in my mind. So what is the thing? The thing is, what is the optimum in manufacturing quantity? Directly formula based I have taken this one, 2D CSP by CH into what is the ratio? P by P minus D. ठीक है? So if you put all these values over there, it will be 2 into demand is 10,000 per year into CSP is what? 500. Yes or no? 500 था ना? 500 divided by CH is what? CH is 1.8. 1.8 into what is P? P is 12,000 divided by 12,000 minus 10,000. Chalo, can you tell me the answer? Can you tell me 5270? 5270 we are getting. Check again. Check the calcium because 5270 to we are, it is not there in the options only. Check again 5270, 5774 options mein. I will not want anyone to not do the question correctly. I will want that they solve the question correctly. Check again. फिर से करो. 5773 we are getting, 5773.5 we are getting, that means 5774. I told you I don't want the students to solve it incorrectly. 5773 or 5774 is the answer. Fine. Now next is asking what? Next maximum inventory is asking. Fine, no issues. Maximum inventory. So I max is what? Q star into P minus D by P. So Q star is 5774 into P क्या है? 12,000 minus 10,000 divided by 12,000. So can you tell me this value? 5774 into 2000 divided by 12,000 क्या आ रहा है? 962.3. 962.3 units. Something like this is 962.3. Correct. Now time between orders, my dear friends. Time between orders. How to do? Time between orders. देखो. If you remember this graph, which graph? This graph. Which graph? This graph. Production consumption model is something like this. This is your Q. Yes or no? Remember or not? This is P. This is P minus D. This is D. And this is your cycle time. This is your cycle time. So my dear friends, just consider this outer triangle. Just consider this outer triangle. Just consider and apply the slope formula. Apply the slope formula. So TC is equal to Q by the demand. So what is Q? Q is coming out to be 5774. What is D? Annual demand you can take. But remember, whatever demand you have taken. Yes, RKJ, correct. Very good. Harshil, correct. Correct. Q is equal to D into D. Very good. Very good. D is 10,000. D is 10,000. So whatever we will get, it will be in years. Whatever we will get, it will be in years. No issues. 5774 divided by 10,000 years. But you have to convert in months. 6.92. 6.92 months are 6.93. 6.93 months. 6.93 months. Is it there? 6.93 months. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. 6.93 months. Very good. And what is the number of orders, my dear friends? Number of orders क्या होगा? Number of orders. Number of orders. Number of orders is just the reverse. मतलब annual demand by Q. Number of orders क्या होगा? Number of orders. Number of orders is annual total annual demand by Q. Total annual demand. Very good, Samir. Very good. Very good, Samir. We will be getting somewhere around 10,000. Very good. Very good. 10,000 divided by Q. What is Q? Q is 5774. Somewhere around 1 point something. Yes or no? 10,000 divided by 5774. देखो 1.73 यार. Don't directly say 2 because orders can be 1.73. No, ऐसा नहीं है कि we have to convert it in. We have to convert it in the next integer. So 1.73. Anyway, it is 1.73. Is it there in the option? No. He is saying number of orders is per year is 4. So no, this is incorrect. So what is the correct answer? A सही है, B सही है, 3. A, B, C are your correct answers. A, B, C are your correct answers. ठीक है? Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, I already told you that I have taken this question so that we'll be able to solve it correctly. चलो ठीक है. Next question. Where is the next question? What is the next question? ठीक है. Yes. Good. Now, my dear friends, the next two questions are very crucial. Why? Because it is from that topic from where you will not pay much attention, and that is the probabilistic models. Probabilistic model. देखो, inventory में there are two models. One is deterministic and one is probabilistic. Deterministic का एक question कर लिए. No, two questions we have done, first and second, and now it is of probabilistic. Probabilistic में there are two models. Yes or no? Demand profit model and service level model. So I have taken both the questions. Don't worry. चलो पढ़ो. Study. Read the question. हाँ Samir, what is the issue? MSQ में if they ask, you have to just tick the correct answer. What are the correct answers? A, B, C, जो भी हो, just tick it. Don't create unnecessary hype for MSQ questions. Normal questions की तरह ही होंगे, and they will mention that this is this, this is that. Don't worry. So what he is saying? Let me have some water. Yes, what he is saying. What he is saying. I know you people will neglect probabilistic model. This much I know. A supermarket is open 360 days per year. Daily use of Maggi packets averages 10. Demand rate. देखो demand rate small d is given as 10. Normally distributed. He has given this also. Normally distributed ही होता है ना, normal distribution. See, so many things are covering normal distribution. Just imagine, so many things are covering normal distribution. With a standard deviation of 2 packets per day. Standard deviation of 2 packets per day. Standard deviation of 2 packets per day. See, there is a reason why I am focusing on per day. There is a reason that I am focusing on per day. The cost of ordering packet is rupees 10. Very good. C naught क्या है? C naught is rupees 10. Holding cost is rupees this per unit per year. So CH is what? CH is 0.40 per unit per year. कोई बात नहीं. Lead time is 3 days. Very important. Lead time is 3 days. A service level of 96% is required. Z of this is given. So service level is given. Z value is what? Z value is 1.75. And which of the following options are correct? Which of the following options are correct? Which of the following options is correct? ठीक है, देखते हैं RKJ. Okay. देखो, okay, we will solve this question, no issues. But let me tell you one thing. We will solve this question. Let me tell you some good concepts regarding this. In deterministic model, your demand rate is constant. Your demand rate is uniform. Lead time is constant. Lead time is uniform. Although deterministic में lead time concept नहीं आता है, but just in case it comes also, it will remain constant. Second, when there is uncertainty, we keep safety stock. And there is fluctuations in the demand rate. And there is also fluctuations in the lead time. ठीक है? I'll tell you one thing. See, we will solve this question. Don't worry. We will solve this question, but just एक बार यहाँ पे देखो. Let's say, don't worry. Just a minute. For what region we are talking, sirs? Let's say this is your basic EOQ model. So this is your reorder level normally, and this is your lead time. Normal scenario, this DT, DNLT, it will remain constant, uniform. But in case of uncertainty, in case of fluctuations, what will happen? Your demand rate will not remain constant. Your lead time will also not remain constant. Either one can vary of the two. Either both can vary. See, let's say this is constant, D is constant, but lead time is varying. D constant मैंने रखा है, and lead time is varying. LT1, LT2 and LT3. Second scenario, lead time is constant. Now lead time is constant and D is varying. Lead time is constant and D is varying. Lead time is constant and D is varying. So this is lead time constant, and this is D2, DT, D3. These are all signs of what? These are all signs of fluctuating demands. And what is the third case? Sir, both can also vary. Yes, sir, both can also vary. So in every case, three cases I have told you. in all the three cases we have to do one thing, we have to find the average demand during lead time. Average demand during lead time. What? Average demand during lead time. Now suppose that both are constant. Suppose both are constant, so what you will do? Like in this case, both are constant, so average demand during lead time will become what? D into LT. Very easy, D into LT. In the second case, D is constant, LT is varying, so take the average of LT and multiply with D. Take the average of LT and multiply with D. This is what? Average demand during lead time. This is what? Average demand during lead time. In this case, what we will do? LT constant hai and take D average. Average demand during lead time. We have to take the average. And last mein this, both are fluctuating. So LT average and D average. In any case, you have to take the average value and multiply. See, questions can come from here. I'm not, means it's a very, very important concept. Now, anyway, EOQ. EOQ you have found out, my dear friends. EOQ formula is what? EOQ is root over 2D C0 by CH. So 360 days at daily demand is 10. So 3600 will be, yes or no, 3600 will be annually. And C0 is what? C0 is 10 divided by CH. CH is what? CH is 0.40. What was the answer? Here what we are getting? Are we getting 424 RKJ? Are we getting 424 over here? Harshil, are we getting 424 over here? EOQ? Are we getting? Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Now average demand during lead time is 30. See, this is what I was telling. This is what I was telling. Average demand during lead time. Average demand, all this concept was what? Average demand during lead time. So average demand over here, D is constant, LT is constant. First case, both are constant. So simply multiply D into LT. D is what? 10. D is what? 10. LT is what? 3 days. Lead time is 3 days. So 3 into 10, 30. 3 into 10 is 30. Average demand during lead time is 30. Very good. Safety stock is 6. Safety stock. My dear friends, I know you will commit mistake in safety stock. I know you will commit mistake during safety stock. See, I know you will commit mistake in safety stock. Why, sir? Why? What is the formula for safety stock? Safety stock formula is Z into sigma. Okay. What is Z? Z value they have given 1.75. What is sigma? What is sigma? Sigma is 2 per day. What is your lead time? Lead time is 3 days. Now my dear friends, remember this once and for always. In the formula of Z sigma, sigma is standard deviation during lead time. I have told this concept several times in my classes. And Vignesh is over here. Vignesh is over here. He can literally confirm it, that when I teach this concept in my class, I have shouted like anything. I have shouted like anything that sigma is during lead time. Sigma during lead time. Standard deviation during lead time. Matlab means what? Means you have to find the variance of all the 3 days and then you have to take the square root. Matlab sigma, it's not like you have to add, the standard deviation can be added, but variance can be added. And how to find the variance? Root over of square. Root over of standard deviation square. So sigma is 2 per day plus 2 square plus 2 square. This is your standard deviation during lead time. So 1.75 into root over 2 square into 3. So it is what? 1.75 into 2 root 6. No, 2 root 3. Sorry, 2 root 3. 2 root 3. So can you tell me? So can you tell me what SS is coming? This one is coming. What this is coming? 1.75 into 2 into root 3. 6.06, 6.06, it is approximately equal to 6. So it is there or not? 6.06, yes, safety stock is there. And reorder point is again, I have nothing much to say. Reorder is what? My dear friends, you know that reorder level is what? Reorder level is average demand during lead time plus safety stock. This was coming out to be 30 and safety stock is coming out to be 6.06. Yeah, approximately it is 36. Approximately it is 36 and this is also correct. Okay. So what was the beauty of the question? I hope you got the beauty of the question. The beauty of the question was this: safety stock Z into sigma. Sigma, always remember, sigma is standard deviation during lead time. Just remember, standard deviation during lead time. Lead time 5 days hai, root over 2 square into 5. Lead time is 10 days, root over 4 square into whatever they give, root over 2 square into 10. Whatever is there, you just multiply with the number of days. That's it, my dear friends. Okay. And in this flow only, first of all the answers are correct. A, B, C, D, all are correct. A, B, C, D, all are correct. Have you, did you get this concept, my dear friends? This concept did you get? That we have to take how to find the average demand during lead time? Tell me, have you got this concept? And if you have got this concept, can you try this question? Let me see. If you have understood that concept, can you try this? Let me see. See, just remember one formula. What formula? ROL is average demand during lead time plus safety stock या फिर buffer stock बोल दो, safety stock या फिर buffer stock. Reorder point is 5 lakh, safety stock they are asking. That means the entire thing is how to find ADDLT. ADDLT, and just now I was saying what? Just now I was saying that ADDLT is what? Demand rate into lead time. One may, both may remain constant. Either one may fluctuate, both may fluctuate. In this example, in this question that I have presented, both are fluctuating. Both are fluctuating. Both are fluctuating. It means what? It means that average demand rate into LT average. Yes or no? Yes or no? So D average. How to find D average, sir? How to find D average? Sir, this into this. Sir, expected na? Everything is expectation. In maths, you study expectation. Everything is expectation. So this into this, plus this into this, plus this into this. Average lead time is what? Average lead time is what? Average lead time is what? 20 into 0.1 plus 30 into 0.4 plus 40 into 0.5. क्या रहा answer? What answer we are getting? 34. 34. And this is 34 is LT average. Sorry, LT average is 34. Now what is D average? 1000 into 0.5, no issues. 10,000 into 0.5 plus 15,000 into 0.5. Sir, 12,500. 12,500. Very good. Very good. So I found the average. I found D average. I found LT average. So can anyone tell me now the answer? 12500 into 34 and 5 lakh na? 5 lakh minus answer. So what is the answer, my dear friends? What is the answer? What is buffer stock? He is not asking ADDLT. He is asking buffer stock. Buffer stock is 75,000. Buffer stock is 75,000. Concept did you got or not of ADDLT? Sirs, ADDLT, got or not everyone? This is not a concept session, but I am trying to give some crucial concepts in the middle of questions. I know that you have not studied that. Okay, this is If the concept is not clear, तो question कैसे बनेगा फिर? You will not be able to solve the question. ठीक है? So देखो, inventory, in inventory what things we have discussed? We have discussed the simple question, E by EOQ ratio, then production consumption model, Wilson model, production consumption model we have discussed. Then two probabilistic model questions we have also discussed, covering service level and all. ठीक है? So enough of inventory, and just we want to relax for some time. We want to just give our mind some rest, and that is why I have brought this forecasting question, so that you will be able to just relax and solve this question. Chalo, try this question. This is from what? This is from forecasting. So 3 crucial chapters we have already done. See the beauty. 3 crucial chapters we have already done. What? Network queuing, inventory. Yes, very good. Now forecasting has also come. Forecasting has also come. देखो, I'll tell you one concept. He is asking forecast for the 11 month. अच्छा, which method he has used? 3-month moving average method. 3-month moving average method he has used. So very easily ना, 11th month का क्या होगा? 8 plus 9 plus 10 by 3. 8 plus 9 plus 10 by 3. It is nothing but 150. A is your correct answer. Just over. Then he is asking, mean absolute percentage error is what? Mean absolute percentage error is what? देखो, mean absolute percentage, AB is correct. How AB can be correct? Only one. Okay. Forecast for the 5th month. Okay. I have not calculated. Don't worry. The thing is, he is asking about error. Can I find forecast for first month? No. Can I find forecast for second month? No. Can I find forecast for third month? No. I can only find forecast from the 4th month. Yes or no? How will you find out? 100 plus 110 divided by 3. Are you getting this concept or not? Sirs, are you getting this concept or not? First 3 forecasts we will not be able to find out. We will only be able to find out the forecast from the 4th month. Why? Because last 3, see, for 3-month moving, I'll tell you, for 3-month moving period, we need 3 months. 3 period we need, na? So for first one, where is 3 periods? For second, where is 3? For third, where is 3 period? Only from 4th period you have 3 periods. That is the concept. So next, I'm just going to write the value that we have calculated. 3-month moving what? 5th के लिए what we have to do? 100 plus 110 plus 120 by 3, right? You will be getting 110. Then for 6th you will be getting 120. 120 कैसे आया? This 110 plus 120 plus 130 by 3. Fine. So similarly for 7th you will be getting 130. For 8th you will be getting 133.33. For 9th you will be getting 136.67. and for 10th you will be getting 140. ठीक है? It means what, sir? For error you need some data, and for 4 to 10 ones, from 4 to 10 only you will be able to find what, error. You will not be able to find error over here, here, here. You will be able to find error from this fourth one, and just subtract it. 16.67, then 20, then 20, then 0, then 6.67, then 13.33, and finally 20. Sir, error for how month? For how? Error you can calculate only then when you have this pair of D and F. For the first three you have only D but you don't have F. So how will you find error? So now once you know this concept, and then what is MAP? What is MAP, my dear friends? Mean absolute percentage error. Mean absolute percentage error. So what is error? Error is D minus F by D initial. Always remember, in mean absolute percentage error we will find with respect to original actual demand. Actual demand, not forecasted demand, actual demand. D minus F by D into 100. This is your, अरे what is error? This percentage तो 100 से multiply. Absolute I have taken the mod, and then mean मतलब क्या, add apply the summation part. N equal to 1 to, now very important, number of periods. Number of periods is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 from 1 to 7 divided by, are you getting or not? No one is saying anything. No one is saying anything. Sir, are you getting this concept? Number of periods, how did I write 7? How did I write 7? No one is saying anything. So sir, we have to write the errors now. We have to write the errors, and original demand is 120. Don't take 103.33. Don't, sir, you are missing this point. In the formula, it is with respect to what? It is with respect to original demand. So original demand is this column. And what is N? N is 7. I hope you are getting this. So rest I have just putting the data, and I hope you have got this thing. Now I have the error calculated over here, so I'm just putting the value. And whole divided by 7, and this will be then multiplied with 100. So my dear friends, if you solve this, you will be getting approximately 9.96%. You will be getting 9.96% and approximately 10%. 1.42. No, Harshil, you have missed this point. Harshil, we will be taking N only for those periods that we have both the set of values. Harshil, not 10. Not 10. N के जगह पे we will be putting 7 because we have the data for those 7 periods. अरे you got or not? Harshil, got or not? N, not this 3. N 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Why? Because we are calculating MAP for from 4 to 10. Yes, I know people will make mistake over here. I know people will make mistake over here. So MAP is 10%. A and C are your correct answers. ठीक है? चलो. That means when I'm saying it's an easy question, still there is concept involved, and still there is chance that you will be making mistake. I know very well where students will make mistake. So ठीक है, we'll be taking this question a bit later on. Okay. Sir, one question is this. It's an easy question from break even, but just let's do this question. It's an easy question, still let's do this question. Acha, wait, one question. I want you to take the screenshot. I want you to take the screenshot and you can leave the answer in the comment section. I'll be checking, and if you have given the correct answer, I'll be liking that comment also. So I want you guys to take the screenshot of this question and leave the answer in the comment section. I'm skipping now because it's a similar question, that's why I'm skipping. Tracking signal. Tracking signal क्या होता है? Can anyone tell me? Tracking signal. Okay, I'm writing the formula also. Tracking signal. Tracking signal is summation d minus f divided by MAT. Sir, what is MAT? Very good, RKJ, very good, excellent. Mean absolute deviation, excellent, RKJ, very good. I am very much happy from your preparation. So you have to find the tracking signal value and let's move ahead. ठीक है, fine. चलो, check this question once. Check this question once. What he's saying? A company is introducing new product. It contains 3 alternatives to make the product with the following cost. Tool cost is given, variable cost is given, fine. The forecasted demand estimates are as follows. The minimum total cost will be what? ठीक है. Think for 1 minute, then I will start discussing it. See, I'll tell you one thing. In there are 3 alternatives, and whichever alternative, very good, RKJ, total cost should be minimum. Yes, total cost should be minimum. And what will be the total cost? Total cost is this tool cost, which is fixed cost, plus variable cost, which is in per unit, into number of units, into number of units, into number of units, into number of units, into units, into units, into units, and whichever is giving you the least cost will be your answer. Now sir, what is the number of units? The question is, what is the number of units? My dear friends, the forecasted demand estimated are this. So my dear friends, see, this is just like expectation. For 1500 the probability is this, for 2000 probability is this, 2500 probability is this. So what is the expectation? Expectation is what? Summation x into fx, summation x into px. Yes or no? You just have to multiply this. Can anyone tell me the answer? Can anyone tell me the number of expected units? Can anyone tell me the number of expected units? Can anyone tell me what will be the product? This into this plus this into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. Expected units. Yes. Solve. And then whatever you have got the units, you have to put it over here and you have to check that which is coming out to be the least cost. Solve it. 2597, 2565, 2565 I am getting, 2565, 2565 I am getting, and just put 2565 over here, 2565 over here. Check, you can check once, or I could have also made the mistake. No issues, but I have written 2565 over here by calculating the and you anyway uh, in the answer it will not make much of a difference. So can you tell the final answer? See, it won't make much difference. So can you tell what will be the final answer? That means in which case you are getting the minimum cost and what is that cost? In what case you are getting the minimum cost and what is that cost? Okay. 2597. No issues, no issues. 2597. Got it. 2597. Got it. I also calculated. No issues. 2597. ठीक है. Yes, I have made the mistake. So now tell me in which case we are getting the minimum value and what is that value? In what case we are getting the minimum value and what is that value? ठीक है, A. अच्छा, so tell me the cost. A, see this fixed cost plus 20 into the number of units, 54440. Okay, 54440, 54440, 54440. ठीक है, I hope everyone has got the concept. So just it was an easy question, yes, but you just have to be ready for such questions. Chalo, moving ahead. ठीक है, चलो. My dear friends, forecasting will come once again, but let's now interchange the chapters. Now I've taken a question from sequencing and scheduling. Chalo, read the question and tell me whether you can solve it or not, whether this question is solvable or not. बोलो. देखो, I'll tell you one thing. He is saying what? Critical ratio rule na. Let me tell you one thing. What is critical ratio? Critical ratio is time remaining divided by work remaining. Time remaining by work remaining. Sir, what is time remaining by work remaining? It means that you have been given some deadline to complete the job. Let's say this 30th I have to submit one assignment. Today is 15th, let's say. So 30 minus 15, 15 days is the time remaining. And what is work remaining? Let's say I have solved, means 10 questions I needed to solve for the assignment. 5 questions I have already solved. So how much is the work remaining? 5 questions needs to be solved. So this is work remaining. Got it or not? And suppose I have not done anything. Let's say I have not solved any assignment. So entire assignment is remaining. That means 10 questions are there. So 10 questions will be work remaining. So this is critical ratio. And when critical ratio is more than 1, it means that it's in the, the job is ahead of the schedule. If critical ratio is exactly 1, it means the job is running on schedule. And if critical ratio is less than 1, it means the job is behind schedule and those jobs needs to be attended first. So this question is saying what? This question is saying what? अरेंज सीक्वेंस द जॉब लिस्टेड बाय क्रिटिकल रेशियो रूल. क्रिटिकल रेशियो रूल का मतलब क्या हुआ? इट मीन्स दैट फ्रॉम असेंडिंग ऑर्डर टू डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर वी हैव टू अरेंज, नीचे से ऊपर. फ्रॉम, अरे if critical ratio is let's say 0.01 or 0.1, so I will take care of that job first, and then the one, let's say the critical ratio is 5 in one case, so that job will be attended last, in this way. ठीक है? Yes, so now he is saying today date is 175, today's date is 175 and delivery date is 190. So what will be critical ratio in this case? Critical ratio, this is the critical ratio. Critical ratio will be 190 minus 175. How much time is remaining? 25, and divided by, see, this time remaining in days, don't get confused. This time remaining in days is related to work. Work time, how much work means in Hindi if I say कितने दिन का काम बचा है, for how much days the work is left, that's it. So 25 by 5 is 5. So 180 by minus 175, 5 by 2 is 2.5. Are you getting or not? No one is saying anything. 184 minus 175, where is the calci? 184 minus 175, this is 0.9. This is 181 minus 175, 6. 6 by 3, 2. Everyone getting? 200 to 20, 25. 25 by 15, 25 by 15, 1.67. 188 minus 175 divided by 15, 0.86, 0.86. And finally is what? 185. 185 minus 175, 10 by 9, 1.11, 1.11. So first to be attended is F. The first job to be attended is what? F. Yes or no? Then C. देखो, this one, because why? Because less than 1 है ना, less than 1 है, less than 1, 0.86, then 0.9, then 1.11. G, then 1.67. E, this, then D, then B, and then A. F, C, G, E, D, B, A. Correct. A is the correct one. A is the, very good. And he is asking what? Number of jobs that are behind the schedule. So how many jobs are behind the schedule? Those jobs whose critical ratio is coming out to be less than 1. So how many jobs are there? 0.86 and 0.9. 2 jobs are there whose critical ratio is less than 1. So good question, decent question. Yes or no? Good question. Yes. Yes, generally we'll be studying SPT rule, generally we'll be studying EDD rule, generally we'll be studying slack time rule, all these things we'll be studying. Critical ratio is also important, questions may come from here. ठीक है, चलो, I hope you have understood this. Now my dear friends, this question, see, if you study last 2-3 years question, one question from n jobs 2 machines will be coming in examination, and this is a very important question if you have to secure that. So thank you Harshil, thank you for your words, thank you. Now my dear friends, m jobs 2 machines, very important, you have to solve this, no issues with it. That means I will be solving also, but you have to know the concept. M jobs 2 machines, take the picture of this, take the screenshot also, take the screenshot of the question, take the screenshot of the question. Take the screenshot of the question. Yes. So question is pretty clear. M1, M2 is there, jobs are there. My dear friends, there is one method which we use for optimizing the sequence, and that is what? Johnson's algorithm. Johnson's algorithm will optimize the sequence. Johnson's algorithm will optimize the sequence. Fine. See my dear friends, I will be suggesting you one thing. I will be suggesting you one thing. Sir, what? I will be suggesting you one thing. Sir, what? In your examination, write in the column ways. In your examination, write in the column way. You will be, it will save a lot of your time. So this is job. ठीक है, in your column you can do it. In your column ways you can do it, but what is the concept? Let me discuss the concept here only. I hope you got my point, that why I am saying to arrange in the column ways. Why I am saying that? Because it will just help you. So how many jobs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No. Just a minute. No, don't worry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See. Okay, RKJ, let's see. देखो, you have to, what is the process? Johnson's algorithm is there. What is the process? The process is whatever is the minimum time. If it is on the left hand side, that means column wise, if it is on the left hand side, we will enter the job from left, and if the minimum time is on the second machine, if it is falling on the second machine, we will enter it from the right. Minimum time, if it is on machine 1, from the left, if it is on machine 2, from the right. Done. What is the minimum time? Minimum time is 2. It is on machine 1, so left. What is the job? A. Done. What is the minimum time? Minimum time is 3. So two threes are there. 2 3s are there. This 3 and this 3. So check the opposite side. Opposite side is 6 and 7. Which is the minimum? 6 is the minimum. So I will first care about this E. So since it is on machine 2, so E. Then automatically this comes G. Yes or no? 3 is done. Now what is left? 4. So this 4 is there, this 4 is there, this 4 is there. ठीक है, very good sir. Opposite, check opposite. 1 is 7, 1 is 9 and 1 is 11. 7, first 7, so this is C. Why C? Because this 4 is lying on machine 1, so it will enter from left. Then this D, it will be coming from here. Then this I, it will be coming from here. So this turn, and this turn. Now my dear friends, what is left? 5, 5, 8, 5, 8. So this is a tie. 5, 8 and 5, 8, there is a tie. So in case of a tie, you can break the tie arbitrarily. I repeat, you can break the tie arbitrarily. So B, H, and finally what is left? BH, na? BH. Finally what is left? F. So this sequence did you give? ACI, BH, FD, GE. Perfect. RKJ, very good. So the sequence is fine, and I hope you have taken the screenshot, and now I am going to page 2, and there I will be finding the make span time. Fine. ACI, BH, FD, GE. Very good. So this is jobs. This is machine 1. This is machine 2. This is in. This is out. This is in. This is out. This is the column. So what was the sequence? The sequence was A, C, I, B, H F D G E. ठीक है, I hope you can see over here. I hope you can see this one. So my dear friends, data, I hope it is with you. I hope the data is with you, and I'm simply going to write the time. So 0 processing time was 2, so 2 I have written 2 will enter, processing time was 4, so 2 plus 4 is 6. Entry will be done on 2. C पे processing time first machine, C पे 4, तो 2 plus 6, 2 plus 4 6, 6 6 which is greater 6. Sorry, this was 8, 2 plus 6 is 8, 2 plus 6 is 8. So which is greater, 6 और 8 में कौन सा बड़ा है, 6 and 8, which is greater 8, and add the processing time for C. तो processing time was 7, so 8 plus 7 is 15. Are you are understanding this table or not? Are you able to understand this table? 6, what is the processing time on machine 1? I, you are not getting. I machine 1 timing is what, 4. So 6 plus 4 is what, 10. Now what is more than 10 and 15? 15. So write here 15 and add processing time I पे second processing time 11. So 15 plus 11, 15 plus 11 is 26. Everyone getting this or not? Sirs, I am filling the table then. 10 B पे processing time first machine के लिए 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15. So 26 is the maximum, written 26 over here. Then add the processing time, it will be 34. 15 pen, it will entry, add processing time, it will become 20, which is maximum 34. So write 34 here, add processing time, and it will become 42. Entry at 20, add processing time, it will become 28, which is the maximum 42. Write 42 here, add processing time, it will become 51. D entry is 28, add processing time, it will become 37, which is maximum between 37, 51, 42, 42. Sorry, 37, 51, 51. 51 and add processing time, it will become 55. Finally, then G is 37, add processing time, it will be 44, which is maximum 55, add processing time 58. 44, 50, 58 and add processing time, it will be 61. ठीक है, it will be 61. So yes, I've already, when the concept is clear, table filling is not an issue. So 61 is the make span time. 61 is what? Minimum time. Minimum time मतलब क्या? Make span time 61. 61 is the make span time. 61 is the make span time. Now he is asking what? Now he is asking what is the percentage utilization of machine 1 and what is the percentage utilization of machine 2 and what is the idleness of machine 2. मतलब percentage utilization he is asking. देखो percentage utilization he is asking. So tell me one thing. Machine 1 has been active till what? 50. Machine 1 have been active till what? 50 minutes. Machine 1 has been active till 50 minutes and the entire process is going on for 61. So what is the percentage utilization for machine 1? Machine 1 is machine 1 worked for how much minutes? 50. Total working time is what? 61. So what is the percentage utilization? No one is saying anything. No one is saying anything. 50 by 61 into 100. 81.96. 81.96. 81.96. Are yes or no? Okay. Percentage utilization for machine B. Percentage utilization for machine B. देखो machine B, first we will find out what is the idleness of machine B. What is the idleness of machine B? That means from when to, for what time machine B was inactive. Machine B was inactive when a job was being processed on machine 1. Means for 2 minutes A was being processed on 1 and for that 2 minutes machine 2 was sitting idle. For that 2 minutes machine 2 was sitting idle. After that, no breathing space, busy, no relaxation. It means after that machine B was full busy. It means what? It means what? Idleness is 2. So what is the percentage idleness? Percentage idleness for machine 2. Percentage idleness for machine 2 is 2. Total time is 61 into 100. So 2 by 61 into 100 कर लो. 2 by 61 into 100. 3.27. 3. So percentage idleness is this. So what will be percentage utilization? Therefore, what will be percentage utilization, my dear friends? What will be percentage utilization? 100 se minus, just subtract it from 100. And you will be getting 96.72. 96.72%. 96.72. 96. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Very good, very good, very good. So, optimal cycle time is 61. Yes, correct. Percentage utilization of machine. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. All the options are correct. All the options are correct. All are correct. Sir, getting or not? Got or not? So this question is very, very important. Very, very important. Not only important, very, very important. Every time we expect one question from M jobs 2 machines sequencing scheduling. ठीक है? So many chapters we have taken. So many chapters we have already taken. Yes or no? Are liking or not the questions? No one is saying anything. Questions are good or not? Concepts, is it being cleared? Getting the concepts or not? If you people like, then only I'll be coming with other session. ठीक है, चलो. So what can we do? Okay, chalo, this is fine. Now, one question of problem formulation. Where was this? LPP. देखते हैं हर्षिल. Let's see. Chalo, one good question of LPP problem formulation is there. How could we have missed it? Problem formulation. See, problem formulation, it will look a very big thing. And when you start solving it, it will become easy. Yes or no? It will look very big. Yeah, yes, we have to just be cautious and write the data, collect the data. Read the question, my dear friends. Okay, RKJ, don't worry, we will meet again. Okay, so what is the question saying? Let's quickly do this question. A company manufacturing 2 products A and B. These products are processed in the same machine. It takes 10 minutes to process 1 unit of A, 2 minutes for 1 unit of B. Machine operates for 35 hours, no issues. Product A requires 1 kg, B requires 0.5 kg per unit, the supply of which is this. Market constraints is known to be this. Product A cost rupees this, sold at rupees this. Product B cost rupees this, sold in the market for this. Which of the following options is or are correct? My dear friends, tell me one thing. Can you find the objective function? देखो, constraint is fine. Constraint will be solving. Constraints will be finding. But can you formulate the objective function? Directly the profits will be given to you. But here what is the twist? The twist is I have given the cost price and I have given the selling price. So if you sell 1 unit of A, what is the profit? The profit is 10 minus 5, 5. B, cost is 6 and selling it at 8. So what is the profit if I sell 1 unit of B? It is 2. So what is the objective function, my dear friends? The objective function is see, profit को maximize ही करना है. We have to maximize the profit. So objective function, what is the objective function? Sir, 5. Sir, number of units of A, I have to assume what? X. Yes or no? Number of units of B, I will assume it as Y. We have to maximize that only, na? what you will maximize? You will maximize or you will optimize what? Your profit. And you have to assume what, how much number of A and B should be manufactured. So I have assumed A X and B Y, and profit on A, if I sell 1 unit of A, I am getting profit at 5. So I have to maximize this function 5x plus, if I am selling 1 unit of B, I am gaining what? 2 rupees. So 2 into y. This is my objective function. This is my objective function, and now I have to write the constraints. So what is the constraint, my dear friends? See, we will see over here and I will write in the next page. Dekho, what is the constraint? See, time constraint is what? For 1 unit of A, 2 minutes. For 1 unit of B, how much? No, sorry. For 1 unit of A, 10 minutes. For 1 unit of B, 2 minutes, and total time is 35 hours. Very good, sir. No issues. Very good, sir. So 10 into x, 10 into x plus 2 into y, and what is the time constant? 35 hours, 35 hours, 35 hours, 35 hours. Sir, this is in minute, and you will keep, LHS is in minute. Will you keep it in hour? LHS is in minute and you want to keep RHS in hour. Is it possible? Are getting or not? Getting or not? Fine. So time constraint is done. Now material constraint, 1 kg for A, 0.5 for B, total supply is 600 kg. So x plus 0.5 y, x plus 0.5 y, and what is the constraint? 600 na? 600. Fine. And last, sir, B is known to be minimum 800 units, every minimum of 800 units. RKJ, you have done the mistake. I know you will make the mistake. I know you will make the mistake. That's why I have taken such questions where the probability of committing mistakes are very high. Can you find the mistake or not? Can you find the mistake or not? Can you find the mistake or not? The mistake is minimum 800 units per week we have to find out. Sir, minimum of B. Why you are putting the less than equal to constraint? Y is minimum 800. तो सर 800 से ज़्यादा होगा ना सर? 800 ज़्यादा. It should be minimum. Finally, x comma y is greater than equal to 0. And what was the objective function? The objective function was 5x plus 2y. So my dear friends, graphical method I have to use. Graphical method I have to apply over here. So it will be what? X by 210 plus y by 1050 less than equal to 1. This is x by 600 plus y by 1200. Sir, intercept form. And this is y is greater than equal to 800. Sir, can you plot? Can you plot? Sir, first one, somewhere it will be 210. This will be what? 1050. And then 600 will be somewhere around here. And 1200 will be over here. Sir, can you see or not? So this is the first constraint. It is saying less than. The second constraint is over here, and it is saying also less than. And then there is 800 na, 800 line, and it is saying to go up. So finally the feasible region is this point, this region. Yes or no? The feasible is this region. Yes or no? This region is your feasible. This region, can you see? Can you see? Can you see or not? So this is, can you see? Okay, this is 0,1050 point. This is 0,800. And if you solve this, if you solve with the constraint, you should get the point as 50,800. You should get the point as this point is 50. So you have 3 points now to consider. You have 3 points now to consider. And so my dear friends, you have to put in the objective function. So z, if you put 0, 1050, you will get one answer. If you put 0, 800, you will get one answer. And if you put 0, 50, 800, you will get one answer. So sir, can you, sir, where to put objective function mein put karo? Sir, where to put objective function? So first one is giving what, 2100, then it is giving what, 1600, and finally it is giving what, 50 into, wait, 5 into 50 plus 2 into 800, 1850, 1850. तो सर मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट क्या हुआ? मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट, सर मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट इज 20, सर 5800, नो, वाई 50, 800, why 2100? Tell me, any mistake is there in the plotting? Tell me if any mistake is there in the plotting. Any mistake? No, it is correct. It will be 2100 only. ठीक है? What is the optimal point? 0, 1050. 0, 1050. So 0, 1050 B, and what is the maximum profit? Maximum profit is 2100. So B and D are the correct options. B and D are the correct options. So problem formulation is also done. Your problem formulation we have also covered over here. Problem formulation भी cover कर लिए हैं. Okay. This was LPP. This was your LPP. No issues. No issues. No issues. I am just kidding. No issues at all. Now friends, what should I say? Every year, one question assignment, there is a very good chance. There is a very good chance. Assignment model. So I would suggest that do not miss this question. Do not miss this question. Very, very important. Very, very important. Do not miss this question. Okay? And if you ask me, I would suggest do not try this question. Let me do this question completely. Let me do this question in a very detailed manner. Hungarian method is there. Any doubt after this question, any doubt in Hungarian problem if you have, it will be clear. कोई भी doubt Hungarian का नहीं बचेगा. Okay? So my suggestion is that just see this question, think what you have to do in your mind, and let me do it completely in a very neat manner. ठीक है? Okay. So the thing is, just take the picture of this one. Take the picture of this one because next batch I have to go. So I have to take the data in paper, and you can check in your mobile. So take the picture of this. Picture ले लिया? Picture ले लिया? Can we start? Sir, can you tell what is the first step over here? Can you tell what is the first step and second step? Can you tell what is the first and second step? The first and second step. First step is what? Sir, row reduction. Sir, minimum cost we have to find out. Square matrix hai. Assignment model is there. We have to assign it. ठीक है? Cost matrix is there. Minimization करना है. We have to assign it. So row reduction. Second is what? Column reduction. Sir, are you understanding the question or not? Row reduction मतलब select the minimum element from each row, subtract it from all the elements. Minimum element क्या है? 28. So सारे elements से subtract करेंगे. Second minimum element is what? 22. सारे elements से we have to subtract it. Third element, third row में minimum क्या है? 28. We will subtract it from every element. Fourth, what is the minimum? 23. We will subtract it from all. Row हो गया. Then from column. That means after row reduction and column reduction, in every row and in every column there will be at least 1 0. I repeat again, after row reduction, after column reduction, after row reduction, after column reduction, in every row, in every column, there will be at least 1 0. I hope if you have studied this, you will be getting me completely fine. And now I am going to the next page and I will be solving it. ठीक है? So question आपके पास है. You have the question already, or should I write it again? Should we write it again or not? Or should we leave? Okay, so you have got the logic. Let me solve it over here. I will not waste time writing the question again. Logic क्या था sir? Sir, what was the logic? The logic was got everyone. So after subtracting, doing the row reduction, these are the numbers. These are the numbers, okay. And after column reduction, now after column reduction, that means in every row there is 1 0, fine. And in every column there is 1 0. No, in third column there is no 1 0, so you have to subtract 6 from this column. Rest, fifth column also have to subtract 10. So after column reduction, this will be your numbers. So let me write the numbers directly. ठीक है? देखो, let me tell you what is the method. The method is, what is the method? The method is we'll start allocating from row 1. We'll start allocating from row 1. 1 0 is there, we will allocate it. More than 1 0 is there, we will skip it to the next row. From one row to last row will come. Again we will go to column. 1 0 wherever we see, we will allocate it. More than 1 0, we will skip. And while allocating any 0 in any row, in that column, all the zeros will be cancelled. Like for example, first row 1 0 is there, I have to do the allocation. And in that column, any extra 0, just put a cancel mark. Second row, no 0. Third row, 3 zeros, we will skip it. Fourth row, there is 1 0, we will do the allocation and we will cancel any extra zeros. Third row, 1 0 is there, we will do the allocation, any extra 0 we will cancel. Again we do for column, already assigned, 1 0, we will do the allocation, we will cancel the extra 0. No zeros, already assigned. Fine. Now my dear friends, in assignment, for optimality, the number of allocation should be equal to the order of the matrix. The order of the matrix is 5, the number of assignment is 4, so it is not optimal. It means what? We have to cover all the zeros by lines. Then there is a tick mark and tick method, and all this I am going to discuss over here. Fine. So my dear friends, first tick the unassigned row or unallocated row. Fine. Now check the 0 which is where there is no allocation. Tick the corresponding column. Again in the column, go to the allocated cell and tick the corresponding row. Again in the row, check where allocation is not there. But here unallocated is not there, so the cycle of ticking stops. And finally, my dear friends, draw lines from ticked column and unticked row. So if I draw a line from here, ticked column and unticked row, and unticked row, and unticked row. Okay, got it? And now my dear friends, out of the remaining elements from where no line is passing, what is the minimum element? The minimum element is 1. So those elements from where no line is passing, you have to subtract that minimum element. Those elements from where 2 lines are passing, we have to add that element. And those elements from where single line is passing, we will leave it as it is. Are you getting or not? Getting or not? So what is the minimum element? 1. So subtract it from those from where no lines are passing. So 3, 10, 6, you will leave it this 0 as it is. Subtract 2, then this 18, then this 7, then this 0, leave 4, and then all the elements leave as it is. They over here add. So 2 lines are passing, so 3 plus 1, 4. So 0, so 0, 16, 13, add 15, 4, 0, 4. This is what the last element is 5, 5. Then add, it will become 7, and then finally it is 0. Now I'll start allocating again. Start allocating again. Start allocating. 1 0, extra 0 cancelled. 1 0, extra 0 cancelled. 2 zeros skipped. 1 0, extra 0 cancelled. Then 1 0, extra 0 cancelled. Column wise 1 0 is left. This is, now all the zeros are, all the cells are allocated. So my dear friends, these are your optimal values. So if you refer to your previous problem, this one and the last one. So if you go back, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So if you add 28 plus 29 plus 28 plus 23 plus 40, and what will you get? You will get 148 rupees. You will get 148 rupees. So RKJ, your answer is absolutely correct. Very well. Well done. So my dear friends, have you got the concept? Have you got the concept? So this is the concept of, I hope you have got the concept of, समझ में आया? This is the concept of, this is the concept of, this is the concept of assignment. Do not miss it. Do not miss it at any cost. ठीक है? So, okay. Can you solve this question? Check out this question once. Check out this question once. It's an easy question. My dear friends, we have been solving questions for the past 2.5 hours. So I don't want to burden you a lot. Just an easy question. As things will come to an end now. A manufacturing line requires 9 minutes to make a product. The line has 6 workstations as per the required operations. The total production required is 300 production in 10 hours. At steady state, the line efficiency is what? At steady state, the line efficiency is what? At steady state, the line efficiency is what? Sir, line efficiency formula is what? Line efficiency formula is sum of the workstation times. Sum of workstation time divided by number of workstations into cycle time. Number of workstation into cycle time. So sum of workstation time. Sum of workstation time is 9 minutes. See, he's saying that, what he's saying? He's saying that a manufacturing line requires 9 minutes to make a product. A product को बनाने के लिए total कितने time की requirement है? 9. So 9 is there. Number of workstation is what? He's saying that line has 6 workstations. So 6 workstation कर दो. And what is the cycle time? What is the cycle time? सर साइकिल टाइम कहाँ से मिलेगा? देखो आई टेल यू, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट डिमांड इज गोइंग टू गिव यू द साइकिल टाइम. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर व्हाट? डिमांड इज गोइंग टू गिव यू द साइकिल टाइम. सर कैसे? देखो 300 products is needed to be made in 10 hours. 300 products के लिए how much time do you need? 10 hours. It means what? In minutes क्या होगा? 10 into 60, 600 minute. 600 minute. तो one product, for one product how much time will be required? 300 product के लिए 300 products के लिए 600 minutes is required. So one product के लिए how much minute is required? 2 minutes. So one product will be coming. See, for one product you need 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, another product. After 2 minutes, another product. 2 minutes, one product will be coming. So cycle time क्या हुआ? 2 minutes. Got it or not? Got it or not? Cycle time. Sir, cycle time is what? After what minute product will be coming out? Sir, you are standing there. 2 minutes में एक product आया, catch. 2 minutes में other product आया, catch. 2 minutes में other product. Sir, getting or not? Your cycle time is 2 minutes. So cycle time is what? 2 minutes. 9 by 12. 9 by 12. Sir, got the concept? 75%. No one is saying anything. समझ में आ रहा है sir? Are you getting? 75%. Always remember. Always. What is the golden sentence, sir? What is the golden sentence over here? That demand is going to give me the cycle time. लिख लो copy में. Just write it in your notebook. Demand से cycle time we will get. ठीक है. Rest is fine. No issues. And now, my dear friends, I want to do the final question, and this should be a memorable one. This should be a good one. You should feel good after solving this question. Simple. You should feel good after solving this question. As simple as that. Last question of the day I am taking, my dear friends, and this should be a good one. Last question of the day is here, and it should be a good one. It should be a good one. ठीक है? Question क्या बता रहा है? Question is saying an order is received for 500 units of X and already 20 units of X, 30 units of B, 35 units of D, 10 units of C are in hand. The number of C to be ordered is this. Sir, this question is from bill of materials. ठीक है? Generally, bill of materials you will get very straightforward questions as far as gate is concerned. But here we are solving this question keeping inventory in mind also. Sir, MRP के लिए what are the inputs? MRP के लिए the inputs are MPS, master production schedule, inventory status file and bill of materials. So I have considered some inventory is there, and then we are solving a question of bill of materials. ठीक है? Sirs, if you listen to me, don't do anything, just listen to me. ठीक है? No need to do anything. No need to do anything. Just listen to me, you will automatically get the concept. Tell me one thing. 500 units order has came and already 20 units of X is there. So will we order all the things? Will we order all the things? No, sir. 500 units के लिए order आया है and 20 units are there. We will order only what? 480 units of X. We will order only 4 units of 80 of X. ठीक है? Now, finally he is asking number of C to be ordered is what? देखो, for 1 unit of X, number of B is what? 2B. So 480 units of X के लिए how much will be the thing? 960B. Yes or no? 960B. 960B. ठीक. Sir, 960B we have to order, but will we order all the things? Will we order all the things? No, we will order inventory में, in inventory there is 30 units of B already. So 30 units of inventory already there. So we will order only 930 unit of B. बात समझ में आ रही है सर? Now for 1B, देखो C is over here also and C is over here also. Let me name it as 1. Let me name it as 2. So chalo, let's first solve 1. Let's first solve 1. So 1B के लिए directly how many C is required? 1. So therefore 930B के लिए 930B, for 930B how much C will be required? 930. Now let us solve this one. Now let us solve this one. ये वाला, this one. So for 1B, sir, see over here. For 1B, 1D, 4D is required. So for 930B, 930 into 4, 930 into 4D. Sir, 930 into 4. What is the answer? 930 into 4, 3720. 3720D is required. Sir, 3720D needs to be ordered, but क्या सारा order कर देंगे? No, we will order only inventory. Sir, 35 units of D is already there. 35 units of D is already, so 3720 minus 35. 3720 minus 35. 3685. 3685. 3685D ही order. Sir, 3685D only we will order. 3685D we will order. For 1D, we will get 2C is required. So 3685 के लिए how much C is needed? 3685 into 2. Sir, 3685 into 2, it is coming 7370. 7370C. 7370C. So sir, from this path 7370C is required. From this path 930C is required. So total कितना चाहिए? 7370 plus 930. 7370. 7370 plus 930. 8300, 8300, 8300, 8300 C. But 10 units of C already in hand. 10 units of C already in hand. तो क्या 8300 सारा order कर देंगे? 8300 or everything we will order? No. minus 10 करो, minus 10 करो. Sir, minus 10, minus 10. 8290, 8290, 8290. RKJ. Excellent. Excellent. You are the man of the match for today. Excellent. You have already given the answer. 8270 is the correct answer. You have already given the answer. Very good. Very good. Sir, have you understood this question or not? Have you understood this question or not? It's a BOM question, bill of materials question. It's a bill of materials question. Okay? So, sirs, today we have solved. Let me conclude. See, what a wonderful session we have had. What a wonderful session we have had. Really, we started with network models. And then what came? Queuing came. Then inventory came, forecasting came, LPP also came, sequencing scheduling also came, assignment also came, then forecasting I have already told, MRP, bill of materials, all these questions came with some beautiful concepts. So my dear friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this session thoroughly, and if you like such sessions, if you want me to specially take questions on queuing or any other thing, any is your requirement, you can let me know. I can come up with more such sessions. Fine. So nothing much to say. I hope that I was able to explain you the questions nicely, and the purpose was revision. The purpose of the session was revision through questions, and I hope that purpose have been met. Okay. So my dear friends, just a minute. So my dear friends, new batches are being announced from January 3, Signals and Systems for EE, ECIN, Engineering Mechanics for MECE, TOC for CS, and from Saturday, January 7, Networks, FM Hydraulics and Operating System will be started in our new batch. Fine. Classroom, that was for online. This was for online. You can sit at your home and you can take the material, right from your home. No need to go anywhere. But just in you want to join us offline, so Bangalore center is there, and on Sunday January 8 for ECWIN digital, MEC, SOM and CH digital will be started at Jayanagar. Fine, in case you want to take offline. And there is an hybrid model also, some offline, some percentage offline, some percentage online. And for that, Saturday January 8, signal system, control systems and MEC, FM hydraulics will be started at the Vijayawada Center Hydraulics. Fine. So for any queries, number has been given to you, number is there, you can contact directly. Fine. So my dear friends, again, I hope that you have enjoyed the session. Do revise, this period is a crucial one. Do not waste your time, just focus on revision. Fine, we will be there with you. We were there, we will be there, we will there in future also. Fine. So with this, I am taking your leave. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Good night. Take care.